Today, I will be teaching you how to solve a Rubik's Cube using the baking method.
But first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Now, in a large mixing bowl, pour a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, brownie mix, and of course, the Rubik's Cube. Now, mix it with a large fork. As you can see, this cube is ready for the oven.
Looks like we're ready to bake. Okay, it's time to take the Rubik's Cube out of the oven. As you can already tell, it is solved.
Okay. And now you have solved the Rubik's Cube using the baking method.